This is one of the main reasons why we need to get a house and not stay at an apartment. Is I feel so bad for the neighbors. Every time I start up one of the cars here, Bobby's is the only car that we currently own that is not insanely loud. That and the FRS, which the FRS never gets driven right now. Hello.
Bree heard you from a mile away. She says, I think that's Devin. Bye, I'm not coming back. Hi. My legs are so sore
Why?
from our workout yesterday.
I feel it.
Thanks for taking me to the potty. Thank you. Give me mooch.
What up, girl?
What's up, beautiful?
Nada.
Whoa. David had a little boo-boo with the GTR.
Just a wee boo-boo.
He hit a, what was it, cinder block?
A cinder block right in front of McDonald's.
Destroyed his lip and his bumper, and what else? The fender?
Fender liner's pretty jacked up.
Fender liner. So we're gonna go to Bobby's Dodge Shop right now, and we're gonna try to get an insurance quote on this thing, and you're gonna upgrade. Right?
Yeah, hopefully. See if we can pull out a 17 front end on it.
There we go. That'd be sick.
The good one's underneath right here. Like, oh.
Ouch.
Let's turn the wrong way.
That's sad. Okay, so we got David's GTR dropped off, but now we're looking at a new place to live. So is it right here?
Yep.
I'm supposed to sign my lease tomorrow for my shop, and we need a bigger house or a bigger apartment, preferably a house, babe. So quick update, we found the perfect house. We called on it, we went and looked at it. It's currently being completely remodeled, so the general contractor was there. He let us walk through it. We called the leasing place back, said, yeah, we'll take it. When can we move in? And she goes, well, someone already called and said they wanted it. So that deal fell through. That's about how this whole house situation is going. We have like a week left, maybe a week left. So hopefully we find something soon. Just picked up a nice new shiny alternator for the Evo 8, lifetime warranty, so hopefully it doesn't go out because swapping it out's a pain, but we should be good to go. 100 bucks at Napa. I will link this exact one down below if you guys don't have a Napa near you or an auto parts store near you. I'll have a link down below. So let's go head back to the shop, get this bad boy installed, and the 8 should be back up and running. Just got back to the shop and look what showed up, guys. The fire extinguisher, not the fire hydrant, the fire extinguisher for the Evos. I think I'm gonna put one in the Evo 10 first because I drive this car way more than the 8. And obviously I don't want it to burn down to the ground. Let's go ahead and bang out the Evo 8 real quick, and then we can work on this fire hydrant or extinguisher. Now I know the housing is not black, but honestly not a super big deal because when the alternator is on the car, you cannot see it whatsoever. I'm kind of starting to think maybe I damaged the alternator when we tore it all apart the first time and started coated it black. Either way, not a big deal. Lifetime warranty on this guy here. We should not have any more issues. We just got the new alternator in. Battery is back in. Battery is fully charged up. I had it charging for about 2 days. This thing should be ready to go back on the road. Let's fire it up, see what happens. All right, guys, so we got the Evo 8 all finished up. Should be good to go. I haven't drove the car at all yet, so I don't know if it's gonna slowly drain the battery like it did before, but I'm guessing with the brand new alternator, we should be good to go. I just spent a minute and got this fire extinguisher fully assembled. I am not sure if I want to put it in the front or the back of the car, so let's go do some testing on the Evo 10 and see exactly where we want to mount this guy. All right, so we have two options. We can either mount it up front on the front of the seat so it'll bolt to the two bolts right here, or we can mount it in the back. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the back. I don't want Bobby to be kicking it and potentially setting it off. If they set off that easy, I would never actually had to use a fire extinguisher, thankfully, but I think I'm gonna put it back here just so it's out of the way. We got our mounted up. I feel much better about this whole situation now, especially these days when it is over, when it's like 100 degrees plus. It's something I've always wanted and always needed for the cars, and I've just like kind of been slacking on it. So I'm gonna order that same exact setup for the Evo 8 as well. And of course, if we ever build like Bobby's STI or the black STI or the FRS or any other car in the future, I'm just gonna get the same setup. It's super universal, and it's like, I think the extinguisher and the bracket together are like $80. So if you guys wanna get it for your own car, I'll link it down below. Bobby doesn't know this, but we're actually signing the lease on the shop tonight. So I'm gonna go walk in and surprise Bobby and see what she thinks.
Oh my God.
Taco time?
Yes.
Okay. We have to stop somewhere else first.
I know where. You kind of said something.
We have to go sign the lease on the shop.
You do?
Yes. We gotta be there at 7:30.
Serious?
Yes.
You're signing the lease tonight?
Yes. 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 You excited?
What? Why did you say you haven't talked to that guy then?
Because I was lying. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go sign our lease.
Hold on, baby. I gotta put on some makeup.
No, we don't need makeup.
Yes, I do.
Makeup's for dumb.
We're going to dinner.
Tacos is not dinner.
Yes, it is.
I feel like this is a very massive step that I've been needing, or I should say we, huh?
Yes.
That we've been needing to take for a while. And it's very stressful, but I think it's gonna be massive in the long term. Just having my own shop, my own space. I can do whatever I want in there. I can install all the lifts I want. We can build all the cars we want, and we're gonna have enough space to store all the cars in there so they don't have to sit outside. So I'm really freaking excited.
Is it bigger than the shop you're in right now?
My dad's?
Yeah.
Yes. It's not massive. The shop isn't insanely big. I was shooting for at least 2,000 square feet. So my dad's shop that I've been using is 1,200 square feet. So 30 by 40. The one we're renting out is 1,600 square feet. So it's a 36 by like something. I don't know. But yeah. So I just signed my life away for the next, we did a 1.5 year lease on the shop. So within the next 1.5 years, hopefully we can be able to buy something or build something of our own. We're gonna grab some tacos and some beer. Definitely gonna celebrate with a few Coronas tonight as well.
I'm gonna celebrate with Ace pineapple cider beer.
Did you have a good taco date?
Yes.
I'm supposed to move into the shop on August 1st, which is this coming Saturday. So I'm really excited for that.
You told me one thing about moving into our shop, or your shop.
Let's hear it.
You said I could have my own toolbox. Didn't you say that?
Yes.
And?
I guess you can have your own toolbox.
Why did you laugh?
Well, I laughed because you don't really work on cars all that much, do you?
Honey.
Ow, yeah?
You know that I help you all the time.
I understand.
Don't pretend I don't.
We can get you a pink toolbox. Gotta be pink though. Well guys, that is gonna be it for today's vlog. I'm freaking hyped. You probably can't see me. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Bobby hates spiders and bugs.
Baby, stop. Stop.
It's just a bug.
Babe, I'm not kidding. That's really rude. Do you really look at me? You picked on me?
How? It went under your car, honey.
Babe, stop.
Look at that one. That's a juicy one. Come back.